Sean Taylor with Silver Creek Realty Group, and I want to welcome you to Houston Grove Estates. It's a retirement community in West Boise. This is the clubhouse where you can have events, etc. And there's a swimming pool there. It's a very small community. Again, 55 and over. They also have an RV storage area in the community. It's just basically one circle of homes here, very well maintained. Not a lot of cars out on the street. I'll pull you around to the subject property over here on my left. And recently had the trim painted, PEX plumbing put in throughout, new carpet, new flooring in the bathrooms, new toilets, new water heater. And here's the subject property now, 3495 Yonkers. Double wide, 1456 square feet. Again, great area. It's close to shopping, not far to the freeway, downtown, etc. Great restaurants in the area. And it is, I'm going to confirm that square footage for you. It is 1456 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, but it also has a great split floor plan with the master on one side of the home and 2 bedrooms on the other. It also has a huge covered carport, has a nice, on the left-hand side of your picture, you'll see a nice covered patio also. And I'll go inside and give you a look. Now, I just want to show you the rest of the neighborhood real quickly. Looks like this guy's getting ready to park his motorhome there, trailer. And this is the storage area over here. I don't know the prices on that, if it's an additional fee or whatever, but it looks like we've got a boat there, pontoon boat, and a bunch of RVs and campers, that type of stuff. So again, really clean neighborhood, great pride of ownership. And this exits out to Ustick. We're close to 5 Mile and Maple Grove, which again is close to the hub of just about everything. So again, great location. There's our swimming pool. Someone's actually out there right now. I don't blame them. It's 100. It is 100 degrees. Anyway, if you have more questions about the property, feel free to give me a call, Sean Taylor, 208-340-0000, or if you're working with an agent, call them, have them contact me, and we'd love to help you out. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Welcome to 3495 Dalton. Beautiful 1440 square feet, single level, manufactured, double wide manufactured home. New trim. Has a huge covered parking space here. Goes all the way back to the end of the shed there. I think it's an 8x12 shed. You have the retractable door here on the side, which is nice. You got the dinner bell. It's kind of fun. Nicely landscaped. Nice walkway up to the front of the home. And you have the big covered porch out here as well. Lots of shade. Room here in the flower beds to do whatever you want to do. Another little patio area out back here. Very manageable side yard, or backyard I mean. The Lennox air conditioner. Rain gutters just extending the side of the home there. Let's go inside and take a look now. I love how another retractable door here. You come in and it has a huge family room. I love that about this house. New carpet, wood burning stove. I believe this room is 22 feet across from there to there. You also have this built-in entertainment center slash hutch area, which is great. Built-in dining hutch. ceiling fan. And the beautiful kitchen. Don't mind my notes over here, sorry. Lower hickory cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and a brand new double oven. By Frigidaire. Just installed. The refrigerator is included. Nice window right over the sink. I always like that if I'm doing dishes, to be able to kind of look out instead of staring at a wall. Your electric burners here. The full tile backsplash behind it is nice. Makes it easy when you're doing spaghetti or something to not have to clean off the wall. You can clean off the tile. And the refrigerator here. Beautiful. I love the fact that this is a split floor plan. So you've got the master over here and 2 bedrooms on the other side of the house. But before I get over there, let me show you this beautiful stove called the Earth Stove. It's just very, very cool looking, the design of it. So that will heat up this house very nicely. Let's go over here and take a look at the master. It also has a ceiling fan. Very spacious, 13 by 13 to right here. So room for any size bed, but then you have all this additional storage space here. A walk-in closet. A little shoe rack built in. There's your panel, electric panel. And over here, you have some additional storage. And then closet, and then we go into the master bath. And you have the dual sinks, nice garden soaker tub with some shelves. I'm trying to stay out of the video here, but there I am. Hello, good morning. And you have your shower unit over here. Your toilet space has brand new toilets in here, elongated, new flooring as well. And let's go over there and take a look at the other 2 bedrooms. Again, the hutch area. Here's the utility room. The washer and dryer, whirlpool, and a Frigidaire. There's your furnace. And some additional pantry space over here. And more storage over here. Coat closet. You have your guest bathroom that also has new flooring. New toilet. Shower tub combo. This has a door that passes through into the bedroom. Has a vent timer. And next bedroom. Has the hand crank windows. I have those at my house. I love it. There's the closet there. Again, the new carpet. Looks nice. And the front bedroom. I think I've showed you everything. But if you have any additional questions, give me a call. I'm Sean Taylor, Silver Creek Realty Group, 208-340-0000. 34 and a bunch of zeros. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed the tour.